Our quick DJ tip for you this week is for you if you're a Rekordbox user and you don't use the Groove 6 controller. Let me explain. DJ software tends to come with samples, loops, stuff that's bundled with it to get you started or to give you things that you can use with particular pieces of gear from that manufacturer. And the Groove 6 has got a thing called the Groove Circuit where you can do clever stuff with stems and loops and that kind of thing. And they provide you in the software when you download Rekordbox and you install it on your laptop with some stuff that you can use in there to get you started. The trouble is, of course, for everyone who isn't a user of that particular item, then you might not want that, and most DJs delete all the stuff that comes with DJ software. Give themselves a nice clean library to start off with, right? The trouble with Rekordbox is if you delete that stuff, it goes away, but then when you close it down and start it again, it's all come back. And it has people tearing their hair out. And so when Mixmaster G showed me how to fix this, I thought I would have to share it with you so that you, if you're stuck in this loop, know what to do. So here's the offending articles. I'm going to highlight them all. I'm going to click remove from collection and they're gone. Great. Now let's get out of Rekordbox and start it again. Ah, they've all come back. Now, if you're very clever, you might have spotted in the settings in extensions right at the very bottom, drum loop audio, automatically import audio files, and think, aha, I found it. This is the thing I need to turn off. But it's grayed out. You can't turn it off. Here's what you need to do. The first thing you should do is actually do what I did at first and go and delete all of those from the collection. Go back to your settings. Now enable stems. Yes, enable stems. It's now going to download and install the stems engine if you haven't already done it, and you probably haven't if it's a brand new copy of Rekordbox. Now you're going to go down to the bottom and magically drum loop audio is available to you and you can turn the damn thing off. And now if you want, if you're not using stems, you can just go to the top and turn that off again. It's still off down there. And this time if we reboot Rekordbox, they have actually gone for good. Voila, you have a clean collection that you can now add your music to. If you're old enough, you'll remember when iTunes had the U2 album pushed into every single person's iTunes account, and people didn't like that either. Well, this is how to get rid of those unwanted drum loops from the Groove Circuit Groove 6 controller if you don't use that and you don't want them. Thank you again to Mixmaster G for that. If you've enjoyed this and you want more, then do take a look at our Rekordbox Made Easy course. It's one of over 22 courses that we have at Digital DJ Tips, and you can see them all on the Digital DJ Tips website, where you can also see how to get our All Access Pass, which gets you the lot and everything we make in the future. So do take a look at the courses page on digitaldjtips.com. Meanwhile, from me, Phil, here in the studio, get good, get out there, make the moments, and I'll be back for another quick tip very soon.